This one's always tougher than it looks. I'll never forget the first time I ever tried this on a jet ski to tow somebody. I'm like, just hand me the line, and you tried holding the line and pulling them, only to realize you were pulling 1,000 pounds, and it wasn't as easy as it sounds. But this crew appears to be doing okay, but I don't know why they didn't just attach it to the ski. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at 79th Street. So our guy, I mean, he's right next to the dock at this point. They're still trying to tow him over to get him straight on. He's got his foot out to try and hold him off the dock. And I don't know what in the world they're doing here. So the crew looks like they're backing up now. The line is no longer tight. And our guy's drifting into the trees. There you go, they're trying to switch him around, and he's backing up, so I'm assuming he's going to try and pull him along the dock that way. And there we go, he should be good to go. We got another crew over here loading up, getting ready to go. I'm just guessing by looking at this that this is a charter. Always interesting, because the charter vessels here are wild down in Miami. They go anywhere from something like this. I've even seen a 19-foot jet boat being used as a charter all the way up to mega yachts. You can get just about anything you want chartered down here on the water. And it's always easy to tell which ones are the charter boats because typically there's only one person doing work and then everybody else is just standing around. And another vessel being towed in. This is a fast start down here at 79th. We've only been here for a few minutes and this is our second vessel being towed in today. So our crew, at least this time, has a line attached instead of just holding on. Be a whole lot more difficult to do with a boat, I guess. But it's always interesting to see how these ones work out when you've got somebody who's not a professional tow captain. So we can see the boats drifting in toward the dock, and our guy, he's over to that starboard side gunnel. Is he gonna grab the dock? No, he's kind of pushing off to make sure he doesn't hit, but he should have grabbed it. I don't know why he didn't. And now he's going back for a line to try and get on. He's a little late to the game. He's gonna miss. He goes for the toss, but no way, dude. And he realizes it's too late now. So he's telling the crew to go ahead and go back around, but I mean, he's right next to this other dock again. So it looks like they're going to try and untie him and possibly push it. And he's got the jet ski behind him, and the jet ski is going to volunteer to help as well. So this crew releases him. The jet ski is going to try and pull him back over to the dock. And I got a feeling this one's not going to be as easy as said as done either, as this is the same situation we were just talking about. He's trying to hold on to the line and pull him over. So the original towing crew quickly vacates like, yep, you guys can do this on your own now. So they're trying to get him over. A guy on the dock, a good Samaritan jumps in. He's going to help out as well as the boat starts to drift off. Goes for the line toss. The ski's heading toward the dock, it looks like. Gotta be careful. Tight quarters here. Oh! Did you see how fast that was? He smacks the dock hard. Just by the jet spray coming out of the back of the ski, he just took off straight into the dock. Wow. Again, why you get tow insurance, and if you're not prepared or know what you're doing, the best thing to do is not necessarily not offer help in this situation, but offer help that you know how to do. Right there, the ski probably should have never touched that line. I mean, fortunately, he's just lucky he's okay in that situation because he smacked the dock hard. And our next crew is making their approach toward the dock. And I always, whenever I see somebody standing up, there we go. He gets back down into the boat. That is the safer spot to be. So Cap's got a good line, good approach speed. And we get close onto the dock. Our guy's going to step off with the line and should be good to go. It looks like Cap is in reverse, though. He's got to go back forward. Now the ladies notice the camera behind him. I don't know why. We're not really hidden here at 79th, but it's always a surprise when everybody sees the camera. But, I mean, we're not, like, in the trees or anything. We're right here in the water. Most people can see us. This one is an interesting situation. We have a tow truck. We have a Miami-Dade police officer as well. I'm just guessing somebody went to jail. Because the tow truck driver's looking at the truck in the boat. And the police officer is kind of going over everything. And they blocked the ramp here, so you can tell they're not letting anybody down. The police officers blocked the ramp with this truck. And the tow driver is inspecting something. But this one's just a little odd, 'cause I didn't see anybody come in with the police officer. But it's just weird that the police officer would be able to grab the truck in the boat, so we missed something somewhere. So the officer's taking the boat off the dock, and I'm assuming he's going to put it on the trailer with the truck. Somebody had to get arrested, but we stepped away. I'm guessing somebody had to get arrested right here, like literally on the dock. Because I don't imagine a police officer taking your keys and saying, yeah, don't worry, I got your boat, your truck, like, we'll take care of it. So only thing I picture is this boat was already on the dock and come in, somebody got arrested, and then after that, the police officers took over. But let me know in the comments. I mean, maybe I'm missing something. Maybe, you know, I would say sometimes maybe this would have been an undercover situation, but they wouldn't have the tow truck down here. So it looks good. He's got it pretty much up there by the trailer and ready to get it loaded on. And you can see the tow truck driver standing on the back of the truck as well to make sure he gets it loaded up. Again, the whole situation is just odd to me because I don't see local law enforcement just doing this for some reason. Even if somebody was arrested, I mean, I guess they gotta find a way to get it off the water though. So now here's the situation. They got the boat on the trailer. They pulled the truck up, but you can see the tow truck driver is disconnecting the trailer, which leads me to believe that they are going to tow this truck out of here, but they did pull out with the truck. So the truck is working, but that they're gonna tow this truck out of here and tow the boat separate. I'm assuming he's gonna put the truck on the flatbed and then tow the boat behind. Again, leading to me to believe that somebody's been arrested somewhere, and maybe they worked this out with the officer. Hey, get the truck, get the boat. But again, it just doesn't make a ton of sense. But for somebody to get arrested on the dock, it would have had to have happened fast. We stepped away for a few minutes, but when I say a few minutes, we stepped away for a few minutes, like no more than 10 or 15 minutes tops, and it would have taken a lot for somebody to get arrested and this whole situation to unfold in 15 minutes. So I have to imagine this was some sort of arranged thing. When the guy got arrested, he's like, hey, here are my truck keys, and you know, can you get the boat and truck out of there for me? So as predicted, this is the end result. They put the truck on the flatbed, hooked the boat up to the tow truck, and they're getting out of here. And I'm just guessing somebody's had a pretty bad day. But we had a good day down here at the boat ramp, but we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.